Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Mitsubishi L200. So you see here from any screen you've got apps, home, menu. If we click on home, then it brings up the little function boxes. You've got phone, settings. If you go further over, you've got Bluetooth audio. You can do it from a couple of ways. If you go to phone, click on phone, that's the phone screen. My phone is actually paired at the moment, but if I then click on Bluetooth settings, and you see that's my phone there, and it's paired, and that the way it's set up at the moment, it will work for telephone calls and Bluetooth audio streaming. And all we have to do now is click on that, brings up the phone, device address and everything, and then you've got delete there. Click delete, delete Bluetooth device registration, yes. That's it.